Hi, I'm Steve Moulter. We are coming to you from the IoT World Forum in Chicago, and today I am joined by Russ Fadel. Russ is the president and GM of ThingWorx. He's also a serial entrepreneur. Prior to ThingWorx, Russ was the CEO and co-founder of Lighthammer Software Development, where he was responsible for helping to conceptualize and to bring to market the world's first application composition platform targeted at real-time manufacturing. Lighthammer was later acquired by SAP AG, the leader in enterprise business software. Now, Russ also co-founded two successful companies that design, market, sell, and implement manufacturing operations software and hardware. But today, we're going to be talking here about ThingWorx, about IoT, and about smart connected products. Russ, it's such a pleasure to have you here with us. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks. Glad to be here.
All right, so let's go ahead and let's dive in. What roles do you see smart products playing within the IoT?
That's a great question. So IoT had a sort of a false start in 2000, and it's really taken hold now. And people ask me the question, so what's new in the Internet of Things? Well, first thing, it's really not the Internet, because that's really not new. But it's really the emergence of these smart connected products that is driving the opportunity in the Internet of Things. So if you think of smart connected products as being the foundation, the network, a secure performant network as being the transport, rapid application development as being the innovation opportunity, and then big data analytics being sort of the place to discover unexpected value. So those are the four big components, and we think that it's really the smart connected products, actually the things in the Internet of Things that are kind of new today.
So does that sort of lead us to the tie-in between ThingWorx and IoT specifically?
I would say yes. So when we look at smart connected products, how do they participate in the Internet of Things? There's really three ways. So if you make a smart connected product, like if you're a medical blood analyzer company, you'll want to connect to that product in your customer's facility so you can offer better customer service. You can also understand how your equipment's being used. So you get a benefit by having a direct communication to your product in your customer site. Manufacturing companies connect to other people's smart connected products in their facilities, and they use that connection to help drive operational efficiency. And the third area really would be sort of the smart application. It's what everyone thinks of as the Internet of Things, where a company comes up with a great idea to leverage new sensors and new products and new communications to maybe change the way something's done, like smart parking would be a great example, right? So a collection of heterogeneous smart connected products.
So what do you think it's going to really take for IoT to kind of move mainstream, to really take over that enterprise technology stack territory?
I think one of the things that we have found is that a lot of people don't actually recognize it yet as a new category of enterprise software. Just like in the early days before web application servers became mainstream, people were building that same functionality with different tools. But now if you look at anyone's enterprise stack, you'll see there's an app server they've chosen, right? So that's part of their infrastructure. So I think it's when the market recognizes that the Internet of Things is a category of software, and that therefore they should be investing in a platform to help them develop those apps.
Now, do you have a sense of a client success story that you could pull in from your own experiences of where they've been able to take that potential and really maximize on it?
Sure, two. So there's sort of three spaces I talked about where smart connected products fit. One is in the manufacture of a smart connected product. There's actually a local company called CISCO America, and they connect to their blood analyzers, and they use that to really increase the efficiency of their service and the service level agreements with their customers. So that's been very helpful, and it's helped drive customer satisfaction up. But they've also used that connection to change the way they charge their customer. Instead of selling a piece of equipment, now they do usage-based billing. So it helps with the customers because clinics get paid by the test. So it's nice if you can buy the equipment by the test. Another one would be a company called OnFarm, which is based in California, and they found a way to measure sort of variables in a farmer's field, take weather forecasts, crop data, and to provide a watering prescription which drives down the amount of water needed to produce the same yield of crop by 10%. So it's pretty amazing the level of efficiency that they've been able to achieve in that.
Well, that's great. How do you envision ThingWorx and PTC helping to transform the enterprise and the internet if things continue to move in the direction that they're going right now?
Yeah, so we were speaking earlier that we were acquired by PTC in December of last year, and PTC is a company that helps product companies design, operate, and service smart products. And with the acquisition of ThingWorx, we now help smart product companies make those products smart, connected products. So we help them with the connectivity, and then we also have a set of tools that allow them to build applications like the ones we've discussed against those products to help transform their business.
That's exciting stuff. It sounds like ThingWorx and PTC are in great shape. Russ, it's been such a pleasure to talk to you. Thanks so much for your time today.
Great.
And
Nice
thanks to
speaking.
all of you for tuning in.